AutoCAD workbench. This is the AutoCAD workbench. To go to 3D modeling in AutoCAD, see, select workspace switching. Select here 3D modeling. Now we are into 3D modeling. Here you can see commands like box, extrude, loft, revolve, sweep, cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. Keep this command window, set this command window. Then see, for this hook we have to use command sweep. Sweep is an option where you can see here in extrude. See here sweep. What does sweep do means it adds material along the path. So for this, first we need to take a path, a guide like this. See, go to CAD, select front view here in views option. You can either select here or here also you can select front view. Then I create first a guide, that guide. I took one circle which is of 150 radius. Then a line from its quadrant. Enter. For reference, this line for reference to trim. TR double enter. Erase this one. Then go for fillet. See here you can see go for fillet or F enter. I give some 30 radius, right click and give radius. Fillet, give more radius, right click radius, I give 60. Enter, again right click, go for trim option. Select trim. Delete this now. Erase. Right click, again I select fillet. I want to give more radius for this. I give some 90. Now I slightly reduce this extension line. Now you have to make this as a single profile. See, three elements, one, two, three, should make as a single element. For that, go to command join, J enter, that is joined. Then you have to create this shape at the end. See here, you have to create that. First I create one circle. It should not be bigger in size. According to this path, this size, you have to take that hook shape size. If the size is more, it can't take here, it can't add material along this path. Create that shape, go to polyline. I take one reference, first a reference axis line. Again go for polyline. Trim, T or double enter. You can also trim this. Go for mirror option, MI enter shortcut. Or first give fillets here, make round this one. Fillet shortcut, F enter, right click, radius, give some 20 mm. is more, 5 mm. Okay. Fillet, radius 2 mm. More, we tried more radius, 50 mm. As here is circle, not required there. Mirror, MI. Enter. Axis start point, axis end point. Enter. Fillet, radius 5 mm. Here we have given 5 mm fillet. here it is not adding 5 mm, it is not taking 5 mm. Right click radius, we change with some more radius. Radius I use some 100 and I try these two. Right click radius 60. $30. Okay. Then go to 3D workbench, select views option, go to isometric. In visual styles, select realistic. You can also select realistic here. This is visual styles window. You can select realistic here. If you are into 2D, you can select 2D wireframe here. Then go to the command sweep. Select object. See, you have to join all these things. You have to make this as a single profile, or else see, if it is like this, enter. Now it is asking select sweep path. I have selected sweep path. See, surface, you can see surface, it's not a solid because the profile is of multi-entity. You have to make that profile as a single entity. In that case, I go back, Control Z, go for join, J, enter. Now go for sweep. You have to select this also. It is not joined. I cancel that one, J, enter. Now it is joined. Now go for sweep, select object, enter, select path. See, now you can see that I see. If you want to increase more size, let me increase the size. I go back, Control Z, Control Z. I increase this size by going to command scale. Go for scale, select that object, enter, select base point. See, I give scale factor of 2 times. Now I try with sweep. As the size becomes more, now object size is increased. Let me check whether whether the material passed through this guide curve. Enter, select this path, just fine. We got this. Change color, double click on that, you can change color, go for select colors, go for OK. Then create a circle on the surface or just create a cylinder besides this. You can either create a circle on the top by going into circle, say center is not tracing. For that you have to select this 3D object snap. Keep this 3D object snap on. See, now it is tracing 3D center. Create a circle of some size, 150 radius. Now go to command extrude. Select circle, enter. See, we don't want, if we don't want this much size dia, go back, double click on that circle, radius 125, 120, then go for extrude, give some height. I use some 300. Apply a color for this. After that, go for union. Solid union. Select these two solids to make them together, unite together. Enter. Then if you select at any place, at any point, then both the hook and the shaft will be selecting. See, this we have generated in Autocad 3D modeling. To rotate this, to rotate continuously, open this, go for continuous orbit. You just select this command and just drag on the screen, then it keeps on rotating. In any direction you can rotate. To stop this, right click, go for exit. Then keep that in isometric. So this is the process to create this 3D model, this exercise on Autocad software. So the main command to generate this type of shapes is command sweep.